I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail and Google Calendar together effectively. This tutorial is perfect for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that you don't miss any important events while working within Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Gmail on your computer using your preferred web browser. Gmail is a powerful tool for managing your emails, and when combined with Google Calendar, it becomes even more dynamic. So make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. Look towards the right-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical panel that has a variety of small icons representing different Google apps integrated into Gmail. These icons are aimed at enhancing your productivity, and today we're focusing on the Google Calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar emoji. Go ahead and click on that calendar icon. Upon clicking, you'll see a Google Calendar panel neatly slide open on the right side of your Gmail window. This integration is really handy because it allows you to manage your schedule directly from your email without switching between different tabs or windows. Once you have the Google Calendar panel open, you will see a snapshot of your day's events, upcoming meetings, or any tasks you may have scheduled. This is your command center for staying on top of all your appointments and managing your time efficiently. From this panel, you can also create new events by clicking on any empty slot or the plus icon. This is a great feature for when you're in the middle of reading an email and need to quickly schedule a follow-up meeting or set a reminder for yourself. Moreover, if you've been invited to a meeting or received a calendar event through email, you can easily add it to your calendar or join a meeting with just a few clicks. It's all seamlessly integrated to make sure you're just a step away from being in sync with your schedule. This is incredibly useful for reducing the hassle of navigating multiple platforms and helps in keeping everything organized right in one spot. By using Gmail and Google Calendar together, you're setting yourself up to manage your communications and schedule more efficiently. It's about creating a more seamless workflow, enabling you to focus on what truly matters without the distractions of toggling between different applications. So, there you have it. With just a few clicks, you're ready to navigate with ease between your emails and schedule, maximizing productivity and keeping everything in one convenient place. Make sure to explore further and get comfortable with the setup. It might take a bit to get used to, but once you do, it will become a crucial part of your daily routine. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.